Hi Lulu. Right, I'm here at Kerry's house now and she's made me a lovely coffee. So I basically come because I have a surprise for you. And I think you're going to really love it.
Oh my god, that's
like ginormous box.
Did you wrap this yourself?
I know.
That is so
impressive. It's a bit boring, the wrapping paper.
This is how I wrap my presents. Brown paper all the way.
Yeah.
I like it. Oh my gosh, I open it.
Yeah, open it. See what you think.
Oh my word, Em! Are you joking? I know! This is so cool!
It is amazing.
Oh my god!
Because your hair is so bad. You know? I'm just kidding. No.
It's the bleach and then it's the bleach.
No, I'm just kidding. But our hair is like similar,
yeah,
isn't it?
Is.
So it needs like...
We always complain about our hair, like how... Like literally, it's like flat to my head.
I'll show you how to use it and everything, but the attachments are really like direct.
Oh my god, this is massive!
And like, how cute, like sit in your room.
This will like go on my mantelpiece. Oh my god, it's pink!
I know, how cute is that?
How does this even work? It's completely hot. Wait, is that the front?
No, that is.
Oh my goodness.
I know. Because this is actually really cool.
Okay.
So, I use this one a lot. Put that one on the...
Oh my god!
So cool, right? And then I think this is for if you have curly hair.
Oh, I used to use that like perm.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever had something so cool in my life.
Chris is going to have to up his game.
Chris is not using this.
Yeah.
Should we go wet my hair?
Yeah, should we show you? I want to show you. Yeah, I want to show you.
I'm looking hot.
Yeah. Right, Kerry's wet her hair now so that I can show her how this works. Because I'm really excited to show you. So basically it has 3 different heat settings and it's got really cute little like LED lights that light up. So you like when you press that button it will just light up.
Okay.
And then on the other side there are 3 different fan settings. So likewise it will like light up so you can have it like really high, which is probably what I do because I just want the speed. And then like the heat as well you can choose, and then there's also like a cooling button.
Oh, that's good because like you meant to like put... But you know, I always get told that if you have a shower, you should always cool your hair at the end. So that's what I don't do. Because in the winter, I get really like dry and like it feels horrible. So will that make it better?
Yeah. So yeah, do the... I think it's supposed to like do the heat and then do the cool to like set, you know.
We're so technical.
We don't actually know what we're talking about. But I do know it's super duper fast.
Okay, that's what I need to know.
Yeah, that's all we need. So you just take your little attachment and it just literally magnets on.
That is so
Which is so cool, and you can like move it around however you want it. I normally have it like that because I do like...
Yeah.
You know, like to get the flyaways down, and then it's like really direct. Or like when I just start off like with it really wet like that, I'll just literally have it off and it just goes like crazy. So you can try.
Oh god. So quiet.
I know, it's so quiet as well.
Oh my god. Okay, right. So hold on. I press. Oh, I'm gonna turn it on. Hang on. I thought you were gonna be the hairdresser. So usually when I do that, like my hair gets stuck in the back there.
Yeah.
Because look what it looks like. It does not look good. But it honestly does. It always gets caught in the back, and I have to like yank my hair out. But it's down here.
Yeah, there's no filter like on that bit. Because I get that like with long hair.
Yeah, exactly. That is so cool.
I know, it's so cool.
Right. Does it look shiny?
Yeah, it looks very shiny.
I really like that. That was so good to use. And that was so quick.
Yeah.
No, genuinely, that actually feels really nice.
It is really fast though, but isn't it?
Really fast.
It is really fast.
And I like the fact it's so quiet as well, because honestly, when I blow dry my hair at night, I always think, am I going to wake the kids up? So
yeah, because as a mum, like, we have to wash our hair at night.
Well, yeah,
no, you can't do it in the morning.
No, well, no time in the morning. Don't be ridiculous.
Don't be ridiculous.
It might be time in the morning now.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. And I think this is the best bit about it.
Yeah, I love that. I've got loads of silver in my room, so this is going to go like really, really
not
well.
Like this ugly thing that's like on your dresser or
exactly.
like it's all like compact and nice.
And I'm going to hide it in there so the boys don't see it and they don't think they can use it.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Thanks so much.
Right, Kerry loves it. I knew that she would. But before I leave, I wanted to show you her Christmas tree. It is amazing and huge. Is this your adult one? Because it's all like nice and white and gold. And then you have like a crazy kids one. Oh, it's not even that bad. But right, I'm going to make a move. Right, see you food. Right, I'm back to my nice warm house now, and as you can see, Kerry was definitely surprised and seemed to really love it. I think the Dyson Supersonic would make a really nice luxury high-end gift for someone like your mum or your sister or a really good friend that deserves such a nice gift. I've loved using mine in the past few weeks, and it was really fun to give to Kerry today. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video, Dyson. And if you want any more details on it, I will put all the links to it in the description bar below. And yes, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!